This week is about much more than lectures and workshops. It's about bringing together young people from across the Baltic Sea region and beyond, who care about its future and who want to make a real difference. Together, we build a community of people who are curious about the region and interested in its future.
The main question is if there's such a thing or not. And that's why we invited mostly young people to help us answer this question, and also to create a robust and dense network of people dealing with the issue of Balticness, which the network itself will help them in their future careers and in their...
I joined the CBSS Summer University to specialize myself on the Baltic Sea region and to have a broader understanding of the history, the security, the politics and the environmental aspects of the region.
So I'm really interested in resilience, and especially I'm studying rescue engineering, so security, resilience is a big part of my studies. And the Baltic Sea region is I'm a part of the Baltic Sea region, but I still don't know so much about resilience and all the difference between our areas, and I feel like this is really interesting to see how Estonia or how Poland...
I come from the south of Poland, and I feel like we're very detached from our Baltic Sea identity. I also found that this is an opportunity for me to learn about the common issues and challenges that the region faces, especially with the war in Ukraine being just across the border.
Gdańsk is a really, really beautiful city with beautiful architecture, a lot of really nice museums, and the beach, of course. And anyway, it's just nice to walk around and see so many beautiful buildings.
The city of Gdańsk is wonderful, and I really like the historical side of it and all the beautiful buildings. And I also really like to discover the place with my fellow participants.
So this is actually my first time in Gdańsk, and one thing that I will definitely remember from this trip was seeing the cranes from a distance everywhere in the city, from my accommodation that we were staying at to the Solidarity Center.
Repression wave that happened and occurred just after the shipyard strike. And it struck me because I see how the Polish communist government repressed its own people.
I feel like my favorite part of the Solidarity exhibition was seeing how many young people sacrificed their lives for democracy. One thing that's caught my eye was a coat with bullet holes, which belonged to a young boy who in his pocket had a card which stated that he donated blood, and that was the highest form of solidarity.
I learned a lot about how to stand up for yourself, fight for your rights. Even sometimes it doesn't seem it's possible, but just be also a community and fight for your rights.
What I liked the most about the project was the different foresight scenarios that we worked on and the different approaches that everybody had.
I think the most useful part of the summer school was the meeting with professionals from various fields. So they just provided us insights from their professions and from the practical aspect of their work. And these are things that are not in the news, and we could learn from that directly from the professionals.
I had the chance to meet people from all across Europe and go on little excursions with them. And we got to not only work on presentations, but also discover our own cultures and share our love for the Baltic Sea together.
There are lawyers, there are, security experts and such, and it's a lovely place to exchange ideas, and also the number of countries where the participants come from. It gives us a great opportunity to get to know each other better.
I truly hope that friendships, ideas, and collaboration that begin here will continue long after this week is over.